Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do spend a day with me. Yeah, karibuni sana, and let's begin the video. So guys, good morning, and I'm going to work. Now it's about almost 6:30. I'm going to stage cause magari huko ziko na mankori. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to stage, then I go to work. Let's go. Nimefika town and we're almost at work. It's almost 7:50, I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, na sikujua leo kutakuwa na baridi hivi, sijavaa sweater. Guess what? It's cold. Jesus. So yeah, I'm at the lift. The lift going to 7th floor. 7th floor. The outfit. Nitacha kuonyesha vizuri.
Welcome to my world. Wake up with a dream in my head. Camera, no fear, no regret. From quiet moments to city lights, every little step feels right. I laugh, I learn, I fall, I grow. Some days fast, some days slow. No perfect life, just honestly me. Every chapter's my reality.
Say wako kadi. Oh, 95. Oh, the second gift of the day, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Are you a breakfast? Tena kukula. Kukula breakfast. Saa saba. Eish, guys, nabaiwa ice cream. Unakula flavor gani? Mimi? Nichukue. Ukiwa nayo? Nipe ile mimi. Haya mama.
Ndio 50.
Nachanganya. Unataka hii flavor?
Hiyo.
Si ya kumix.
Ama umix. Sawa, nimixie.
Ametufurahisha na hii.
Na hii ngoma.
Walai.
Na venye umetengeneza huko kuna kapo.
Nataka kuipeleka tena itengenezwe kabisa.
Itengenezwe nini sasa?
Mazamiki.
Warembo wana dance.
No,
M-Pesa?
Ni kali.
Ya huyu. Umenunua hiyo moja.
hiyo moja.
That gift. Leo na count gift. Gift
Ndio unaongezewa.
Raia maisha.
And so guys, that was my simple day. That was a small I hope you enjoyed this video.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm freaking out.
This video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And now tomorrow will be my birthday, and probably I might post tomorrow, so you might see this video on my birthday. Hey, I'm not sure, but I'll try post before tomorrow. And lastly, I got this one for today. I got KO. I'm going to take this. I got this one from my friend. Thank you to these friends of my co-workers and my friend and my CEO for all these. Thank you so much. Nawapenda sana. And tomorrow is my birthday. Ama mtaona tu. Ama ikuwe ni leo ndo mnaona hiyo time ya birthday. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until my next video, bye bye.